Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to enable sound and screen recording iPhone. Here are the steps to enable sound and screen recording on iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app icon. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Tap Customize Controls if your iOS version shows this. Or you can go to the Control Center if you don't see it here. Tap and hold on an empty space, then tap Add a control. Under More Controls, find Screen Recording and tap on it to add it to your Control Center. To save it, you can simply tap on the empty space again. Once you swipe up, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, or swipe up from the bottom on iPhone 8 and earlier to open Control Center. Press and hold the screen recording button. Circle inside the circle. In the pop-up menu, look for the microphone audio option. Tap the microphone icon so it turns red. This enables sound recording. Choose whether to record iPhone audio only or iPhone plus microphone audio, depending on your needs. Tap Start Recording to begin capturing your screen with sound. Exit the Control Center. Your iPhone is now recording the screen. To stop recording, tap the red status bar at the top and select the stop icon. Or open Control Center and tap Screen Recording button again. You can open the Photos app to view and play your screen recording with sound. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.